Alright YouTube, what's up? It's Magnus. Got some more GMT400 tech here for you. We're going to be doing a muffler install on Octane. As of right now, I don't have a muffler. All I got is a Y pipe. The stock muffler has been deleted. We still have factory cats. We still got our 4 O2 sensors. But this is the muffler we're going to be putting on. Good old Borla, Johnson City, baby, Tennessee. Yes, sir. Very nice, man. Borla's legendary. I got a decal to go on the side of the truck right above the exhaust tip. You know, we got this huge 5-inch exhaust tip on this thing, but it really goes with the truck because the original tip that went on these, it was like big and flat. So I had to get something big to fill up that notch right there on the back. We're gonna give you a start up and let you hear how the truck sounds without a muffler, because like I said, right now this configuration is without a muffler with just the cats and a Y pipe. And of course, you know, the camshaft I've got in it has a slight lope, so you get to hear that too. All right, that's how it sounds now in its current configuration with stock cats and just a Y pipe and this tip. Next sound clips you're gonna hear are gonna be with the Borla Pro XS. Like I said again, there's that part number. 2.5, center in, center out, stainless steel, and we'll just see how it sounds with the muffler installed. All right, guys, it's been about a week. We've got the Borla Pro XS installed on the Octane. It really quietened the truck down quite a bit. It even cut down on some of the chopping from the camshaft that we have installed. Now that along with the ported heads and the tune. We still haven't put the headers on yet, but remember that was a center in, center out, 2.5-inch stainless steel muffler. What we're gonna do, we're gonna give you a startup, and then I'm gonna give you a few high rails so you can hear the difference between then and now. And that way you can see if you wanna get one of these for yourself and kind of tone the truck down. Remember now, we didn't have a muffler at all. I just had a Y pipe, and I love the sound. It was awesome, but trying to conduct business, trying to be on the phone and talk to people while you're going down the road, and having to roll the windows up. Even with the windows rolled up, it was still loud. And something else I didn't like either was that popping sound that these 5.7 Vortecs are notorious for when engines hadn't already quite warmed up yet. And you get on the gas, I hate it. That's completely gone now. But we're getting ready to give you a start up and let you hear it idle, and then I'll rev it up for you. All right, guys, this is what we got. Kind of got up to about $4 grand on those revs there, but that's what the truck sounds like now. I like it. Now I know the packing and material, you know, hadn't quite got broken in yet. Now it may get a little louder. Well, it is going to get louder as time goes on, but as for right now, I'm happy. I'm good with this. I like the tone. I like the sound. Still sounds aggressive, but when you're, you know, need to be on the phone or you need to be incognito, so to speak. You can, and it's very nice. A welcome change from what I had. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and let me know what your setup is on your GMT400 vehicle, or new body style trucks. You let me know how you like the Borla system, the mufflers. Tell me what you think about them. If you got any experience with them. I've been Magnus. I'll holler at you next one. Peace.